Racing just is started with Chikatsu break weekly start running by the release Forest Marshall London Dry alongside then comes inner class while is Marias is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn with it Chikatsu by about 4 lengths. Forest Marshall in second. Alongside comes London Dry. 5 lengths further back in fourth comes Inner Class while Ismarias is still racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled with it. Chikatsu by Orlink and Ihapa. London Dry na win second. Forest Marshall is down in third. Coming closer na win fourth is Inner Class. While is Marias is still racing in less. Another fourth turn we have it. Chikatsu by Orlink and Ihapa. Moving up now on the outside is London Dry. Forest Marshall. Inner Class now rushing about the outside is Marias is down in fifth. And Diana went entering the home stretch. We have London Dry by Orlink. Moving up now on the outside is Inner Class is Marias. Forest Marshall and Chikatsu. Last 100 meters we have Inner Class. Followed by London Dry in second, and finally it's going to be Inner Class, London Dry. Then comes is Marias, Forest Marshall, and Chikatsu.